all my other shuffle tutorials I have posted. This one is an advanced tutorial, so if you haven't seen the other ones, it would be a good idea right now to look at the links below and watch those first so you're ready for this video. If you have seen all those videos and have mastered all those moves, it's time to get started. I'm going to show you guys the first move we're going to learn today. See that? So to start this move, both of your toes are going to be facing in. And now it's going to be the weight distribution, which makes this move look cool, and you can do it fast. So you can just jump and come out, come in, jump out, jump in. But to be able to do this, you need to know the weight distribution. So I'm in. My right heel is going to stay on the ground, and my right toe is going to come up. See how the weight is on my heel. For my left leg, the weight is on my toe. So you're going to do that at the same time. So my right heel is going to be on the ground, my toe is going to come out, and then my left heel is going to come in like this. And then I'm going to come back into the starting position with my toes in. So right heel comes out, and my left heel is up and turned in. So it looks like this. To the other side, it's the same thing, but the weight switches. Instead of being on my right heel, I'm now on my right toe. So I'm going to turn my toe, and my left heel is going to be on the ground. It's going to come out, and I'm going to come back in. So this is the starting position. Anytime you go out, you're going to come back in to this weird position. You can also double it on one side. You can go here, 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 like that. So there's different ways you can do this. And also, since we're in this position, this is a starting position for another move that I showed you guys on one of my previous shuffle tutorials. I called it the out in heels because that's basically what you do is you go out, in, heels. So since I'm in this position, I'm going to cross, come back in, heels, and since I'm back in, I can go into this move. And I can combine it too. So here, see how that works? So even like with the running man, for the running man, the starting position, I call it 4 position. So I can be doing the running man, and since I'm in this position, I can go into the T-step, which you can see in my first tutorial. So whatever position you're in, you can go and do a different move. So if I'm in the 4 position, I can do the T-step. I can do the running man. If I'm in this position, I can go to the side, or I can do this. So this next move is pretty fun. It's called the jerk, and it's also like a backwards running man. So a forwards running man is you like this, and the jerk, you're like this. So you're kind of jumping backwards. So, to begin this one, your right leg is going to be in front of you. And you're going to bend the knee and come into 4 position. And then you're going to go back into like kind of like the triangle of like the running man. But instead of like this, your leg's going to be up. And you're going to go into 4 position. Bring your left leg back, right leg in front, 4 position. So there's 2 jumps. So jump, 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 jump. And to make this move look cooler, I usually kind of lean back. When I'm back here, my leg is kind of back, my left leg. And when I make the 4, I bring this leg forward. So here, so I'm like jumping back, coming forward. So I'm like leaning back, and when I do the 4, and then I'm going to be upright. So leaning back, 4, leaning back, 4. So like this leg kind of goes back, and then to the middle. So right leg's out, 4. So to see that faster, it's kind of like a little jump. And with the arms, I just let my arms flow with my legs. And if my right leg is forward, my left arm is forward. Kind of like you're walking. So it's forward, back, here, back, and I bend my arms. So if my leg is straight, my arm's straight, when I make the 4 and bend my knee, I bend my elbow a little bit. This one is another fun one. It's called the Spongebob. So you saw that I kind of did this one in my second shuffle tutorial where I did the T-step and I kicked. It's kind of the same concept. So we're going to start with our right leg out. And we're going to bend the knee and come back in 4 position, starting shuffle position. So our right leg is going to stick out and we're going to lean to the left. So while this leg is straight out, this is the first position. The second position, you're going to get into starting position. So here, starting position. Then to the other side, the left leg sticks out, you lean to the right, starting position. So it's kind of like the one we just learned. We go leg out, starting position. It's the same thing. And with the arms, I pretty much do the same thing as the last move also, as if my leg is out, the opposite arm is straight out also. And when I come back into starting position, I bend out the elbow. So again, my right leg is out straight, and I lean to the left, and then I'm going to jump into starting position and make that 4. And then you're going to jump to the other side, starting position. You can also double it as you do 2 on your right, 2 on your left. So. In one of my last shuffle tutorials, I showed you guys this like heel toe jump. So we're going to add on to that one today. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So how we're going to start is we're going to have our right leg out and we're going to be on our heel. And then we're going to be on our left toe. So we're going to be facing forwards like this. And then when we come back in, then we're going to come out like that jump I showed you. And then the other side, your left leg is in front on the heel, right toe is on the ground behind you. Come in to the side. And then with the arms, same thing as all the other ones usually, I just follow it, my feet with my arms. So my right foot is in front, I bring my arms in front. And I come out, and then when I do the side jump, I put my arms down. You can put them on your head, you can push. So again, I'll face this way. So my right heel is on the ground, and my left toe is on the ground. And we're making the triangle position, except instead of the triangle position for the running man, our toe is up and our heel is up. So we jump like that, jump together, and then we're gonna put our right leg to the side, our left leg to the side. Other way. Then face forward. for you guys today is, I don't know what it's called, but it looks cool and I do this one a lot. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So you are on your heel and you're on your toe like this. And I'm facing this way, then I'm going to jump and face this way. So I'm just jumping while I'm on my left toe and my right heel. So you can start by being in the running man, then you jump into this position, you jump this way, and this way. So when you're here, you can also twist your hip, like what I just showed you. So over here, you can also turn your leg. So instead of this front leg just jumping like this, I'm going from like my heel to my toe, heel, toe. So I'm on my heel, and I'm going to turn this way onto my toe, heel, toe. And this back foot just follows. I'm just kind of sliding. So here, and I'm on my toe facing this way. Here, toe. So you can combine those two moves like that. You can also alternate your feet, which takes a little bit of practice with the balancing. So I'm on my right heel, left toe. From here, I jump, I switch, I jump, switch, jump, like that. So. Got that? So that was a lot, so I'm going to break it down for you one more time. So I'm on my right heel, left toe. I'm going to switch, face this way. Then I'm going to switch weight distribution and put my left leg in front. Switch this way. So it's all pretty much jumping. And when you do it faster, you can kind of slide with it. Like I'm like dragging this heel a little bit. And so the arms, I just let my arms do their thing. Like that. They just follow my feet. And then when I do this one, sometimes I like to make it cute or whatever style I'm going for. Sometimes I put my hands right here, I go. You put on your hips.